I know Michael's organisation is committed to making sure there are everything from road safety improvements, right down to better surfaces and to making sure that we get the right grade, the right base before we even put the final hot mix on, or whatever the case might be, and to delve into and to do the R&D that's required to building better road networks is of course something that's very, very important. And of course you see the 4 initiatives on the wall road, unseal roads, seal roads and bridge management as all part of the whole process that you're going through. Government's helping to fund. We of course work with state governments to build better road networks. All too often we write the cheque. All too often in the past, I should say, we've written the cheque, and that's probably been the Commonwealth involvement. I want to have more of a say in what happens to our money after we write the cheque.